Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Travelocity app review to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. Travelocity is a travel booking app that lets users search and book flights, hotels, car rentals, vacation packages and activities all in one place. It offers a user-friendly interface, a large inventory of options worldwide, and it features like itinerary management and mobile booking. The app also includes a price match guaranteed and make it easy to organize trip details in a singular platform. However, the app has received criticisms for hidden fees, booking errors, and a poor customer support. Many users report difficulties with refund and cancellation, along with delayed or unresponsive service when problems arise. And here's the conclusion. The app still worth using if you want a convenient all-in-one travel booking tool and can find good deals, but not ideals if you expect flawless contact and customer service or a transparent pricing. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn notification button and subscribe for more reviews.